Yay, the first items in my windowsill herb garden have started to sprout. These are little baby basil plants. Aren't they cute?
Before God in this company of witnesses, and you seal them with these rings as token of your love. By the power invested in you by the state of West Virginia and the Lord Jesus Christ, I now pronounce that you are husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
John!
Hey, you got some cake on your hand.
Get her John! Get her John!
Oh! Wow. We have snow this morning. That's surprising for this late in the season. Every now and then we end up with snow this time of year, but... Yep, it was actually pretty warm yesterday, so this is kind of surprising. Gypsy's in here laying on her favorite rug. I think it's because cool air comes underneath the door right there. But she just loves to lay right there. Here at Hillbilly Auto, it's our attention to detail that gets the job done.
Alright, you get rid of that. Here, you get...
We got the truck stuck.
That's inside.
And just got a little bit of mud on it getting it out. Yay, I now have a couple other herbs starting to sprout. Alright, I had to check my basement to see how wet it is. And it's actually not too bad, considering this house doesn't have like a French drain or anything around it. Any water just sort of runs through in these little channels that Grandpa built into the basement floor. But man, I have a creepy basement. I think they could use it as a set in like a slasher movie or something. The creek is up just a little bit. It lacks maybe, I don't know, 3 feet of going over the bridge down here. Yikes. It is not good. Alright, so yesterday I recorded a presentation for today's Garden Center and Greenhouse Grower magazine. And here's the registration website for it. It's going to be on Smart Marketing 2D barcodes for garden retail. And myself and another guy by the name of Kyle Lacey did the presentation. So if you're in the horticulture industry, you can register for it and watch it. It's going to be next Tuesday. That's March 15th at 2 p.m. Yay! New software update for Apple. Now AirPlay actually works. Nice. Yeah, this is going to take a while. Took about an hour to update the phone. And I always hate it when you're updating your phone software and somebody calls. Why can't Apple disable that so whenever your phone like is plugged into a computer and you're synchronizing it, it won't be interrupted by a phone call? It's just one of those annoying little things. I don't know. Seems like somebody would have thought of it. Wow, I just totally missed my noggin with the camera. Maybe I ought to use the front-facing camera so I can actually see what I'm recording from now on. You know, I flip it around so it's in HD, but you can't see what you're actually recording if you're recording yourself. You just kind of have to go with your best guess and point it in the general direction of your face, which is hard to do sometimes. I'll have to work on that. Alright, I kind of splurged for lunch and had McDonald's. So this evening I'm having bowl noodle. Kimchi flavor. You can tell somebody didn't do too great of a job translating this. It's also vegetal. So we'll have some vegetal bowl noodle. Good stuff. That actually is quite good. Yep. Very good. Tasty. Very spicy. Alright, it's Friday evening, and I'm on my way home. And I thought, when I get up here, I'm going to slow down and get some nice shots of the river water, or the backwater anyway. Because this area really, wow. This came up. Oh my. So this morning, not very much of this at all. As far as the area right here in the fence. This is actually a sewer lift station. But anyhow, most of that was dry this morning. So that's how much the river has came up just today. And this is all backwater. And it's actually up almost right in the road. Wow, there's a lot of trash right there. Yuck. This is nasty. So the river has definitely came up a lot more than it was. So the other morning when I stopped here and filmed, the creek was flowing fast. It's actually stopped now because this is all water that's being backed up from the river. And it's not quite as high as it was the other morning, but it's still up a lot higher than normal. In the summertime, this creek can actually almost dry up. And it's probably 9 or 10 feet deep right now. I see a deer. Do you see the deer? I think he sees me.